Good morning, everyone. We are now at the train station in Geneva, and we are taking you to Montreux, where is the castle Chillon. From Geneva to Montreux, it's only 1 hour ride.
A ride from Geneva to Montreux is around the coast of Lake Geneva with amazing views.
And we are in Montreux. We are on another side of Lake Geneva. There is Geneva. We are in Montreux.
From Montreux, we will stroll through the promenade to a castle along the shoreline while enjoying the view of the Chillon's postcard perfect mirroring in Lake Geneva. Montreux is a Swiss town with small population of 25,000. It is at the French-speaking part of Switzerland. The Lavaux vineyards are located here and are listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
This castle is 1,000 years old, so let's go in.
Chillon Castle is a medieval castle on Lake Geneva. This 13th century fortress is Switzerland's most visited historical building and one of the most visited castles in Europe. More than 400,000 guests per year visit Chillon. Unlike everything else in Switzerland, admission is not pricey here, costing $15. We will explore the chapel, various bedrooms, courtyards and chambers, as well as array of medieval ornaments in the weapons room and enjoy gorgeous views across the lake. Today, it's possible to rent the castle for various events.
We are now in a dining room.
For nearly 4 centuries, Chillon was home to the powerful Dukes of Savoy. Chillon belonged to the Counts of Savoy from the 12th to the 16th century. Located at the crossroads of a major trade route from England and France to Rome, Chillon Castle has served as a toll booth. From the castle, they controlled the passage of ships on Lake Geneva. Chillon Castle is a top-notch destination comparing to other popular castles in Europe. We will now visit bedroom, which has been preserved in its original form.
This is how washroom looks 1000 years ago.
With Lake Geneva at its feet, the Rhone Valley behind it, and the peaks of the Alps surrounded it, Chateau de Chillon has a remarkable setting. Chillon Castle has been incredibly well preserved and never damaged by war or nature. We're at the top of Chateau de Chillon, which has a breathtaking view.
Guys, that's everything from Montreux. Thank you for watching and see you at our next destination. Bye!